Welcome to my demo of the German Luftwaffe Blind landing system. What you see in front of you is the FU-BL2, which consists of an EBL3 receiver, an EBL2 receiver, a power supply and some bits around it. The important bit for the pilot is this indicating instrument, which I will demonstrate in a moment. I've built a test transmitter which can replicate all the signals of the system. It can simulate the full blind landing operation. It can also simulate the Knickebein guidance system. But now I'll focus on the blind landing bits. I'll focus in on the instrument here a little bit, because that will be the main thing that will show what's happening, and I'll switch on my little simulator, and what you will see is that the indicator is now indicating a signal to the left. You can see that the needle is flicking to the left side. As the aircraft will fly along, that means that it will have to steer right to get closer to the landing beam. So as it's doing that, it will probably also approach a little bit, and a second indicator on the left hand side will indicate a increase in the signal as the aircraft approaches the airfield. As it approaches, the signal and the kicking of the instrument will get clearer. The pilot is now still trying to get closer to the beam. It's still a bit to the left. And slowly the signal is getting clearer. Here the indicator is starting to kick right, meaning that the pilot has actually flown across the beam and is now too far to the right. So he'll have to return a little bit to the center. And all the while the signal strength is increasing as it approaches the airport. At about 3 kilometers distance from the airport, it will get a warning signal. The beeping signal also causes the little light in the instrument to light up. This means that the aircraft is 3 kilometers away from the landing strip, and that it has to reduce its height to about from about maybe 500 meters to 50 meters. At 300 meters before the landing strip, it will receive a second warning signal, which is a little bit more pressing. Now, basically the aircraft is now over the landing strip and should be able to land. At this very short distance, hopefully the pilot will have a visual on the landing strip, and by now the aircraft should be safely down on the ground. So a little bit of a demo of the blind landing installation.